girls, welcome to our channel. Now we are cleaning the animals. Come on. Zebra. Wow, very beautiful color combination. Wow, amazing. Then, wow, elephant, blue color. Oh no. Okay, now clean the elephant. Wow, elephant, looks so good. Then, wow, crab, sea animals. Now clean the crab. Wow, crab, amazing. Then, wow, giraffe is the tallest animals. Now clean the giraffe. Wow, giraffe, amazing. Then, oh no, big size lion. Now clean the lion. Wow, amazing, lion. Then, wow, frog. Now clean the frog. Frog, amazing. Then, I think it's rooster. Now we are clean the rooster. Wow, rooster, very nice. Then, wow, parrot. Now clean the parrot. Wow, so good. Then, oh no animal. Now clean the hand. Okay girls, thank you girls. Thanks for watching.